Shower. We say they chaka. They color them chaka. And chaka.
Yeah, PMP and JLP.
Black and white tower. JPP.
PPP.
And a JPP.
JPP.
Jamaica Pum Pum Party.
Cow.
Huh?
Cow.
Cow to always dip on the right time? How are you afraid of cow now?
Yeah, rain of all.
What does that have to do with cow? What rain have to do with cow?
Because my mama rush me.
Because of the rain? No.
You feel so?
Yeah. Cow them go about them business. Look at them.
Look, yeah, look at that one. They're stopping now, look.
Curious. I mean, we did dairy to rotting. We make our money. We did dairy. And when rain fall, you know, we still have to go down and go milk the cow them. And when they come in and they wet and they just molly.
And think on.
And we have to milk them, go underneath cow, go milk cow.
In a wet.
In a wet.
I know this is part we have to walk through them and just stomp in the freaking road.
Move.
That me not like with some of them.
Can you move, please? Hello? Excuse me? Move.
Watch it. Which part you go on?
Say?
No, them, just walk. Step down here, so.
Where am I standing? Where am I go?
That part of the road, just walk.
Man, I make cow kick me now. I probably only give me afraid of cow.
But you see, you get enough coke carry down and
Yeah,
like
that's why I don't want to get no more.
you probably in your... Bro! Out there!
So you used to give me some kick and not me blood me guys.
So, when I did that, Ebony, I could talk about Ebony again. You don't.
Jesus. Woo, ow.
Oh.
Hard. Alright, let's talk about the money. Everybody pays my heart. Continue.
But, alright, just say I can train cow, right?
Yeah, I'm going to train on to them.
Hey, Miss Reed! How you doing? Yes, no?
I'm going to train on to them.
And
But basically, what this is about is you have to take care of the cow, make your cow get fat. You know, if you have on a thick spanny, you have to go give him island and something that every day. You have to make sure it's like cow well healthy.
so you have to treat him like one baby.
Precisely, you have to make sure he listen to you. So when they talk, you listen. If you don't mind, he kind of stubborn still. You know, listen. Even when it comes down to debit time, he still not listen.
But he still perform, right?
Yes, to come on. Become second. So
Well, that's great. So if you need listen, probably you would have come first.
Yeah.
So what else you can do? Like, what else you can train? What else you can take care of?
The only thing I ever trained in my entire life is a cow Terry.
well, out of all of the animals you choose the biggest one, or they give you the biggest one.
I like cow.
You like cow? Okay. And the same thing with your sister, right? Your sister love. Yeah.
Ali only do agriculture because she have to do agriculture. We live from a farm, she not a choice.
Well, true.
If she could, she'd probably live in a kitchen.
Yeah, because she can bake on them someday.
Because Chef Ali, you know.
Yes, that's why she live on the farm, so she knows anytime she live on the farm, she just chop off all they made, one and yam them. Time she get tired of them, done.
Oh, that I think too, I'm a butcher. Well, in daddy a butcher,
Oh,
so.
shit!
It's cruel already.
Yes, she really cruel, I know, you them Sally. So, she can kill pig on this, isn't it?
No, not so big, but when it comes down to chicken
and this, isn't it? She ever try for your goat?
I don't know, I don't really live up there with it, I forgot to ask her.
Well, okay.
But I feel like she should try. Oh yeah, Uncle Bobby not teach you how to skin goat one time, so probably she has learned the trade already.
Yeah, look at that. So, she rough.
But listen, I don't know what everybody got to be trying, but damn, they might take too freaking long with me starting.
From down there?
Yeah, because it's like a 9-month course or less.
So, alright, you want me to do it? Well, how much for the whole fee and stuff?
You don't pay, well, maybe pay $3,000 and that's it. Cover everything, lunch every day, shit like that.
So, all you have to do is show up for your class. So, like for you one, like for the architectural drawing and stuff like that.
But I don't know about that. Look how far that different agree.
Well, true. So, you da go do it back again?
What, butchering?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can kill pig, but me don't like it.
Why not?
I don't know. Just if you
Feel like
if
it-
crepey, I just that there my problem. I don't like crepey.
Do you like your video? Rub him down.
And then chop off
Rub him down.
and chop off his head. But yet still
Half it
chop
way.
off his head, we still have to go crepey. But the whole part about it now, if him dead and crepe and everything, I'll surely cut him up. Like
Yes, I shut him down.
no, man, I cut him up, man. No, man, if he cooking part, yeah, that part there. Yeah, man. Anything we're going to be cooking part there. But more below one like pick out jerk man, just put a whole of pig in there and roast it.
That's going to be a big ass jerk pan.
I can build one.
Pig leg.
No, I already build one of the concrete stove thing them, man. You know one of them build.
The only thing, when we run down, when we murder upon the pig,
Mhm.
when the pig just kill,
Mhm.
hog bars.
Yeah, that is nice. I will put up name. Man, I tell you like. My grandfather,
Roasty.
which one me used to live down so. Me did Affy take care of goat, Affy take care of hog, Affy take care of fowl, Affy take care of dog. Like
This guy-
Affy. Like rain kinda ease up but the road like super flooded out, full of water. But as me I say,
Wait, you gonna post that shit?
yeah.
Sorry. Don't post that.
Why not?
Don't post it.
I talk like a bit about that. All of a sudden, me try video what I can in the video, so start video now.
Yeah.
Reach at my girlfriend's house
Okay.
and my cousin and my sister-in-law, my like baby sister-in-law. Alright, so now, then say we get spaghetti, uncooked spaghetti,
Yeah.
salt,
Mm-hmm.
black pepper. I don't use black pepper, so then say use all-purpose season and water. So it's a good in one cup, right?
Dip in a little
If you
water and then dip in a all-purpose and eat it. And if you can eat, if you want this sauce, you can dip in a water and just dip it. in
And you
the
can
sauce.
put in a hot sauce.
Dip raw spaghetti.
Yeah.
Yeah, the long one.
Yeah, that sounds right.
It
And
tastes
so-
good.
Believe.
No matter how good that tastes, banana me.
Raw
Yes,
spaghetti.
Good.
Put it in water, so you make the water kind of make it soft.
No.
No, like, say
Yes,
it-
So
It's
are you
salt.
making water make the salt and the season
Yeah,
stick on it?
Yeah.
So it all stick on it and then you
Yeah.
bite it.
yeah,
And
and
eat.
it tastes good.
And it tastes a bomb.
It tastes
Bomb.
good.
Like,
We have been
Abby.
doing this all along.
In here,
Abby, you
and
create it, right?
It, yeah, it's royal
You put it on your
spaghetti.
page already?
Yeah.
yeah.
Where your page name again? Tell them your page.
Upon TikTok, me put it.
Oh, your page up on TikTok. So you don't have a YouTube page, right? So
We have one YouTube page, but me not put it on
I
here.
can't find my jacket.
what do you mean I can't find a jacket?
Get out of the way. We're doing a commercial.
And
Commercial?
yeah, commercial.
Why, Lord? Why? Tell me
Well, I
something.
told like a baby girl, well, I don't know if I could try.
You
Probably
need
me
to.
You
could
need
try.
to.
Don't
Cause I
try,
have a
please.
spaghetti, I have a
Don't
purpose, I
listen to
have
this.
salt, I have everything. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
Get away.
Try.
Let's
If you
It's
good, you
next.
have to pay with $100. If you good.
so how not gonna let me try?
You could have just said no good and at all. I can't do it.
You see me? So that I think you have to see me eat it first to know if it's good. So we have to do a video with me eating it and
Okay,
we
we
know.
have to make it.
Yeah.
No.
Please God,
No.
Yeah, no.
you do it already.
Yeah.
You do it already.
Don't listen to
So
her.
me I go say, I'm gonna do it first. So well sure we are gonna do it and we're gonna video we
Yes.
on it and doing it.
Okay.
So we're gonna see how it go. Alright? I'm out.
I don't know.